Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're serious about protecting your ride and capturing every moment on the road, then you're in for a treat. Today we're reviewing the top 5 best dashcam and backup camera combos that deliver crystal clear footage, smart features, and peace of mind. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip lover, or just want to keep your car safe while parked, this countdown has something for you. Make sure you stick around till number 1 because it's a game changer. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss my latest car maintenance and upgrade tips and reviews. And if any of these cameras catch your eye, check out the links in the description below for the best deals and up-to-date specs straight from Amazon. And once you are done watching this video, comment below with your thoughts about these dash and backup cameras. Or which one are you currently using? Let me know. Now let's get started with our number 5 pick. Starting our list at number 5 is the Veement 4K Rear View Mirror Camera. The Veement 4K Rear View Mirror Camera features a 10-inch touchscreen mirror display paired with a front-facing 4K camera and a 1080 pixels rear camera. It supports voice control for hands-free operation. Includes a 32GB SD card, and offers 24-hour parking mode and enhanced night vision. The unit is designed to replace your existing rearview mirror, giving you a sleek, integrated look while doubling as a high-resolution dash cam. What makes the Veement stand out is its compact design and intuitive voice control, which makes it ideal for drivers who want a seamless upgrade without cluttering their dashboard. The night vision is surprisingly sharp for its price point, and the included SD card means you're ready to go out of the box. It's best suited for budget-conscious drivers who still want premium features like 4K recording and parking surveillance. One shortcoming is that the screen size is slightly smaller than others in this list, but considering the feature set and price, it's absolutely worth it. At number 4, we have the Pelsee P12 Pro 4K Mirror Dash Cam. The Pelsee P12 Pro boasts a large 12-inch rear-view mirror display, a 21x60 pixels front camera, and a 1080 pixels rear camera. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems and blind spot detection, voice control, night vision, and parking monitoring. A 32GB memory card is included, and the smart driving assistant features make it more than just a camera. It's a co-pilot. This dash cam is perfect for tech-savvy drivers who want more than just footage. The advanced driver assistance systems and blind spot detection features add a layer of safety that's rare in this price range, and the voice control is responsive and accurate. The wide mirror display gives you a clear, unobstructed view of both live footage and rear traffic, making it ideal for larger vehicles or those who drive in busy urban areas. Its only drawback is that the advanced driver assistance system's alerts can be a bit sensitive at times, but once you get used to them, they're incredibly helpful. Coming in at number 3 is the ROVE R2x4K Dual Dash Cam Front and Rear. The ROVE R2x4K Dual Dash Cam features a 4K 21x60 pixels front camera and a full HD rear camera, powered by the advanced StarVes2 sensor for superior low-light performance. It includes a free 128GB memory card, 5G Wi-Fi, with up to 20 MB per second download speed via the ROVE app, and a 3-inch IPS screen. The camera also supports 24-hour parking mode and GPS tracking. What sets the ROVE R2 4K apart is its blazing fast Wi-Fi and app integration, making it perfect for users who want to quickly transfer footage to their phone or cloud. The StarVes2 sensor delivers stunning clarity even at night, and the included 128GB SD card means you won't run out of space anytime soon. It's best for content creators, rideshare drivers, or anyone who needs high-quality footage on demand. The only downside is that the screen is smaller compared to mirror-style cams, but the image quality and connectivity more than make up for it. My number 2 pick is the WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K Mirror Dash Cam. The WOLFBOX G840S features a 12-inch smart rear-view mirror with dual cameras offering 4K front and 1080 pixels rear resolution. It includes 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for fast data transfer, night vision, parking assistance, GPS tracking, and a 32 GB SD card. The mirror display is responsive and offers a wide field of view, making it a solid upgrade for both cars and trucks. What makes the WOLFBOX G840S shine is its balance of performance and usability. The 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi is noticeably faster than standard models, and the GPS integration helps log your routes and speeds accurately. The parking assistance feature is a huge plus for larger vehicles, and the night vision is crisp and reliable. It's best for truck owners or anyone who wants a full-featured mirror dashcam with fast connectivity. Its only limitation is that the rear camera installation can be a bit tricky depending on your vehicle, but once it's set up, it's smooth sailing. And my best overall pick is the REDTIGER F7NP dashcam. The REDTIGER dashcam offers 4K front and 2.5K rear recording, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, a 3.16-inch IPS screen, and a 170 degrees wide-angle lens. It includes a 32 GB card, supports wide dynamic range for balanced exposure, and features 24-hour parking mode and advanced night vision. The compact design and powerful internals make it the top performer in this roundup. What makes the REDTIGER F7NP the best of the best is its unbeatable combination of resolution, smart features, and ease of use. The wide-angle lens captures more of the road, while wide dynamic range ensures your footage looks great in both bright and dark conditions. The built-in GPS and Wi-Fi make it easy to track and share your drives, and the compact screen is perfect for minimalists who want performance without bulk. It's ideal for anyone who wants top-tier video quality and smart features in a sleek package. Its only minor flaw is that the screen may feel small for those used to mirror displays. But the clarity and feature set easily justify the investment. And there you have it, my top 5 best dashcam and backup camera combos available today. Whether you're upgrading your current setup or buying your first dashcam, these picks offer something for every driver. From smart mirror displays to blazing fast Wi-Fi and ultra-clear night vision, each of these cameras brings serious value to the table. And here are some tips to help you in choosing the best dashcam backup camera combo. It starts with resolution. Look for at least 1080 pixels, rear and 4K front, for clear footage. Prioritize models with night vision, parking mode, and wide-angle lenses for full coverage. Features like GPS, Wi-Fi, and voice control add convenience and smart functionality. Mirror-style displays offer a sleek, integrated look, while compact screens suit minimalists. Ensure the package includes a memory card and check compatibility with your vehicle. Finally, read reviews and compare specs using trusted sources to find the best value. A great combo enhances safety, captures incidents, and simplifies daily driving. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget, check out the links in the description below to grab the best deals and see the full specs for each product. And before you go, comment with your thoughts on your preferred dash and rear view cam. Thanks for watching and drive safe out there.